Hey guys, it's DG, and did you know that the average person consumes over 50 loaves of bread per year? That's a lot of bread. And while bread can be a part of a healthy diet, it's essential to choose the right types of bread. Today we're diving into the world of healthy bread choices because what you put into your body matters. We'll explore the nutritional value, health benefits, and potential downsides of different types of bread so you can make informed decisions about what you consume. Remember, small changes in your diet can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. So, let's get started and discover the top 5 healthiest breads you should be eating. First up, we have whole grain bread, a true champion of nutrition. This bread is not just a staple in many households, but it also stands out for its incredible health benefits. Unlike refined white bread, which is stripped of its nutrients during processing, whole grain bread retains all 3 parts of the grain: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. This means you get the full spectrum of nutrients that nature intended. This makes it a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The bran provides fiber, the germ is rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, and the endosperm supplies carbohydrates and protein. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, helping to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. It also aids in maintaining a healthy weight by keeping you feeling full longer. But that's not all. Whole grain bread also benefits heart health. The fiber in whole grains can help reduce cholesterol levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Studies have shown that a diet rich in whole grains can lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. This makes whole grain bread an excellent choice for those looking to improve their cardiovascular health. When choosing whole grain bread, always check the ingredient list to ensure that the first ingredient is whole grain, or 100% whole wheat. This ensures you're getting the real deal. Don't be fooled by breads that are simply brown in color, as they may contain added sugars and unhealthy fats. These additives can negate the health benefits you're seeking. Look for breads with at least 3 grams of fiber per serving and a low sugar content. This combination will help you maximize the health benefits of your bread. Remember, incorporating whole grain bread into your diet is a simple yet effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. It's a small change that can lead to significant health benefits over time. So, next time you're at the grocery store, reach for a loaf of whole grain bread and experience the difference it can make. Your body will thank you for making this nutritious choice. Next on our list is sourdough bread, an ancient bread-making technique that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Sourdough bread is made through a natural fermentation process that involves using wild yeast and bacteria to leaven the dough. This fermentation process gives sourdough bread its characteristic tangy flavor and chewy texture. But beyond its unique taste, sourdough bread also boasts several health benefits. One of the key advantages of sourdough bread is its lower glycemic index compared to other types of bread. The fermentation process breaks down some of the starches in the dough, resulting in a slower release of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes sourdough bread a good option for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fermentation process also makes sourdough bread easier to digest. The lactic acid bacteria produced during fermentation help break down gluten, a protein found in wheat that can cause digestive issues for some people. So, if you're looking for a delicious and easily digestible bread option, sourdough bread is definitely worth trying. Now let's talk about rye bread, a nutritious and flavorful bread option that often gets overlooked. Rye bread is made from rye grain, a close relative of wheat. It has a darker color and a more intense, slightly sour flavor compared to wheat bread. One of the standout features of rye bread is its dense nutrient profile. Rye bread is an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar, while insoluble fiber promotes digestive health. Rye bread is also a good source of minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function, nerve function, and blood sugar control. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, while iron is crucial for oxygen transport throughout the body. If you're looking for a bread that's both nutritious and delicious, rye bread is an excellent choice. Its unique flavor and impressive nutrient content make it a valuable addition to any diet. Moving on to Ezekiel bread, a unique and highly nutritious bread made from sprouted grains. This bread stands out not only for its ingredients but also for its preparation process, which enhances its nutritional profile. Ezekiel bread is made from a variety of sprouted grains, including wheat, barley, beans, and lentils. These grains are carefully selected and combined to create a bread that is rich in nutrients and flavor. Sprouting is a process that involves germinating the grains, which activates enzymes and increases their nutrient availability. This process breaks down some of the starches in the grains, making them easier to digest and allowing your body to absorb more of the nutrients. This makes Ezekiel bread a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The sprouting process also enhances the bread's fiber content, which is beneficial for digestive health. One of the key benefits of Ezekiel bread is its higher protein content compared to other types of bread. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to increase their protein intake, especially vegetarians and vegans. The combination of sprouted grains and legumes provides a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. This is particularly important for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Ezekiel bread is also lower in gluten than conventional wheat bread, making it easier to digest for some people. This can be a significant advantage for those who have mild gluten sensitivities or are looking to reduce their gluten intake. However, it's important to note that Ezekiel bread is not gluten-free and should not be consumed by individuals with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Always check the labels and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. If you're looking for a bread that's both nutritious and delicious, Ezekiel bread is an excellent choice. Its rich, nutty flavor pairs well with a variety of toppings and meals, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Its unique sprouting process and impressive nutrient content make it a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you're making a sandwich, toast, or simply enjoying it on its own, Ezekiel bread offers a wholesome and satisfying option for your daily meals. Last but not least, let's discuss gluten-free bread, a necessity for individuals with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. For many, this type of bread is not just a dietary choice, but a crucial part of their daily lives. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye that can trigger an immune response in people with celiac disease, damaging their small intestine. This damage can lead to malabsorption of nutrients, causing a range of health issues. Gluten intolerance, while not an autoimmune disease, can also cause digestive discomfort and other symptoms. These symptoms can include bloating, diarrhea, and abdominal pain, making it essential to avoid gluten for those affected. Gluten-free bread is made from alternative grains and starches that do not contain gluten, such as rice flour, tapioca flour, almond flour, and coconut flour. These ingredients provide a safe alternative, allowing those with gluten sensitivity to enjoy bread without adverse effects. While gluten-free bread provides a safe and essential alternative for those with gluten sensitivity, it's important to note that not all gluten-free breads are created equal. The quality and nutritional value can vary significantly between brands. Some gluten-free breads can be high in processed ingredients, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. These additives can negate the health benefits of choosing gluten-free options. When choosing gluten-free bread, it's crucial to read the ingredient list carefully and opt for brands that use whole grains and minimal additives. Whole grains provide essential nutrients and fiber, which are important for a balanced diet. Look for breads that are high in fiber and protein to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. Fiber aids in digestion, while protein is essential for muscle repair and overall health. Remember, choosing healthy bread options is essential for everyone, but it's especially crucial for individuals with gluten sensitivity to manage their condition and maintain their overall health. A balanced diet, including nutritious gluten-free bread, can help improve quality of life and prevent potential health complications. So there you have it, our top 5 healthiest breads. Remember, choosing the right bread can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. By opting for whole grain, sourdough, rye, Ezekiel, or gluten-free breads made with wholesome ingredients, you can enjoy the taste and versatility of bread while nourishing your body from the inside out. What are your favorite types of bread? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on healthy eating and living. Thanks for watching.